Welcome everybody. Today we are back at our bin number 3. It's been 21 days since we last checked it, and we gave it 19.52 ounces of food. So let's go ahead and see how she did. You can tell already it's a little dry, which probably shouldn't be a problem when we get down a little lower. Okay, what we got going on here? Okay, we got some banana peel still. Nice worms looking good there. Okay, we're not going to get too carried away. Just want to make sure everything looks good. Oh yeah. Everybody's good. Plenty of worms and they're lively. So we're not going to get carried away. Still plenty of shred in here for them. And plenty of the big stuff that they haven't even started to get to yet. What we're going to do is we're definitely going to go ahead and get it some moisture this time around. We'll give it moisture all over. I'm going to go ahead and we'll start building on top of this stuff so that it starts working its way in there. Alright, what we have here, this is my seedling mix for my plants that I just did not too long ago. It's a fresh batch, so I might as well just do that. So basically it is alfalfa and seed tea, and sprouted seed tea, alfalfa, molasses, a little soap nut to help it sink into the plants good, and I think that's it, if I remember off the top of my head. Well, anyway, it's here, we've got it. We're going to just go ahead and use it. Like I said, everything is pretty dry, so we can get pretty generous here. You can always adjust with some more paper later on if we need to, but I think we'll be fine. And Tails came in and opened the door, so now you can hear the TV in the background. Sorry about that. Alright, that should make them happy too, that the alfalfa in there should fucking wind them right up. Alright, so now we're going to give them about the same amount of feeding as of last time if I've got it. And we will definitely give them probably, we'll give them some good amount of chow. And we'll also give them some crap. And I may or may not give them some manure too. But we'll see. We'll be back. First things first, let's get them some chow. Okay, we've got about 6.31 ounces of our homemade chow. We decided to go a little heavy on that. We're not going to do the manure this time. And then we're just going to give it a little bit of our grit. And now we've got about 2 ounces of grit. And again, somebody, if you're new to this channel, you're probably noticing the large chunks of eggshell in there. I do that on purpose. I like them a little heavier so that they survive through and carry on and break down inside my plants. Okay, now let's get some frozen food in here. Alright, we gave it 21.61 ounces of frozen food. I'm just going to spray that across the top here on top of this all. I'm going to see if we can get some of this bigger stuff broke down. See if we can trick the worms into doing things the way we want instead of the way they want. The other thing is we're going to give it a good amount of fresh paper. We're going to wet that down too with cardboard and that. So we gave it a little bit of everything. We've got potatoes, we've got apple, we've got romaine, bananas, both full banana, or the fruit of the banana, I guess. And the skins themselves. All right, we're going to give it a lot more paper than I thought I was going to. But that's all right. Unlike regular composting, worms they don't really care about the ratio of whatever. They're going to eat what they're going to eat, and they're going to leave what they don't eat. They really don't care. So if you have extra paper, which we just put in about 6 quarts of cardboard paper, cardboard and paper, and yeah. That is nice. We're going to give it one more spray down. This bin here is on the floor in the spare bathroom that I use for all of this. And it's not a normally used bathroom. I'm the only one that uses it. And it's where my worms are at this point in time. Eventually I like to get them outside, but a little at a time. A little at a time. In no hurry. And again, this is our alfalfa seedling mix. We're watering it down with, because why waste it? Worms like alfalfa. I'm pretty sure they're going to like alfalfa water, especially this one that's been enriched. All right, now we're just going to go ahead. Oh, you know what else we have? I forgot. We have some aloe leaves. They won't eat them right away, but they will eat aloe leaves. And they ignore them for a little while until they get to the right consistency or whatever it is that they judge by. And there we go. And voila, we have another successful check-in on bin number 3. And like I was saying, I got sidetracked. This bin here is on the floor in my spare bathroom. I have hot air heat in the floor. So she does tend to get a little drier than other bins. But that'll be fine. We may end up putting a piece of plastic on it. But until then, and until next time, you all take care. Take it easy. Take it one day at a time. Catch you on the next one.